Here's a guide on how to create stunning wood-turned art, along with some inspiring ideas to get you started. Materials needed: wood blank. Choose hardwoods like maple, walnut, or cherry for durability and beauty. Lathe, a wood lathe for turning the wood. Turning tools: gouges, scrapers, and chisels specific to wood turning. Sandpaper, various grits for smoothing surfaces. Finish: oils, wax, or varnish to protect and enhance the wood. Safety gear: goggles, dust mask, and ear protection. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Select your wood. Choose a wood blank that suits your project. Look for interesting grain patterns and colors. 2. Prepare the wood blank. Cut the wood to the desired size and shape. Secure it firmly in the lathe's chuck. 3. Set up your lathe. Adjust the lathe speed according to the size of the wood blank. Start slow to ensure safety. 4. Begin turning. Use your turning tools to shape the wood. Start with rough shaping and gradually move to finer details. Tip: use the gouge for shaping and the scraper for smoothing. 5. Sand the surface. Once the desired shape is achieved, sand the surface with progressively finer grits to achieve a smooth finish. 6. Apply finish. Choose an appropriate finish to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it from damage. Apply it evenly and allow it to dry fully. 7. Final touches. Inspect the piece for any rough spots and sand again if necessary. Polish the finish for a glossy look. Inspiring ideas for wood-turned art. Bowls. Create decorative bowls that showcase the wood grain. Experiment with different shapes and depths. Vases. Turn unique vases that can hold flowers or serve as standalone art pieces. Consider adding intricate designs. Sculptures. Use freeform turning to create abstract sculptures that emphasize the natural curves of the wood. Pens and pencils. Craft custom writing instruments. Personalize them with engravings or unique shapes. Candlesticks. Turn elegant candlesticks in various heights. Experiment with different base designs for added flair. Spindles. Create decorative spindles for furniture or staircases, combining functionality with artistry. Toys. Design wooden toys, such as tops or spinning toys, that are both fun and aesthetically pleasing. Ornaments. Craft holiday ornaments or decorative pieces that celebrate the beauty of wood grain. Wall art. Combine turn pieces into wall-mounted sculptures or art installations, mixing different shapes and sizes. Functional items. Explore turning items like coasters, trays, or serving platters that blend beauty with utility. Wood turning is a rewarding craft that allows you to express creativity while working with beautiful natural materials. Whether you're creating functional items or artistic sculptures, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy the process and let your imagination guide your creations. What are some good resources for learning wood turning techniques? Here are some excellent resources for learning wood turning techniques. Books. The Complete Guide to Wood Turning by Edwin W. C. de Jong. A comprehensive guide covering tools, techniques, and projects for beginners to advanced turners. Woodturning, a foundation course by Mike Darlow. Focuses on essential skills and techniques, with step-by-step instructions and illustrations. The Woodturner's Bible by Percy Blandford. Covers a wide range of projects and offers tips on tools and techniques for all skill levels. Online courses. Udemy offers various courses on woodturning, covering everything from basics to advanced techniques. Craftsy features online classes focused on woodturning with expert instructors. Skillshare, a platform with multiple woodturning classes that cover specific techniques and projects. YouTube channels. Woodturning 101 offers tutorials for beginners, covering basic techniques and tool usage. Carl Jacobson features a variety of woodturning projects and tips, suitable for all skill levels. The Wood Whisperer provides valuable information on tools, techniques, and project ideas. Forums and online communities. Woodturners Anonymous, an active online community where you can ask questions, share projects, and get advice. Reddit r/woodturning, a subreddit dedicated to woodturning, where users share their work and offer tips. The International Woodturners Association, offers forums, articles, and resources for woodturners at all levels. Local workshops and clubs. Woodworking clubs. Join a local woodworking or woodturning club where you can learn from experienced turners and participate in hands-on workshops. Community colleges. Many community colleges offer woodworking and woodturning classes that provide practical experience. Woodworking shows and expos. Attend events where you can watch demonstrations, attend workshops, and learn from professionals in the field. Websites and blogs. Woodturning Online. A website dedicated to woodturning resources, including articles, project ideas, and tool reviews. The Woodturning Shop. A comprehensive site with tutorials, project ideas, and product reviews. Lumberjacks. A woodworking community with a section dedicated to woodturning, where you can find projects and tips. These resources can help you develop your woodturning skills, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your techniques. Explore a mix of books, online courses, videos, and community support to enhance your learning experience. Which of these resources would be best for learning spindle turning? For learning spindle turning specifically, here's some resources that are particularly well suited. Books. Woodturning, a foundation course by Mike Darlow. This book includes a section dedicated to spindle turning techniques, making it a great resource for beginners. The New Turning Wood by David Ellsworth. Although broader in scope, it covers various turning techniques and provides insights into spindle turning. Online courses. Udemy. Look for specific courses focused on spindle turning techniques. Many instructors offer targeted lessons for this skill. Craftsy. They sometimes have courses that focus on turning spindles and similar projects, which can be instructional. YouTube channels. Carl Jacobson. He frequently shares projects that include spindle turning, offering practical demonstrations and tips. Woodturning 101 features tutorials that cover the basics of spindle turning, making it accessible for beginners. Forums and online communities. Reddit r/woodturning. Engage with the community to ask specific questions about spindle turning techniques and get advice from experienced turners. Woodturners Anonymous. A great place to connect with other woodturners who can share their experiences and tips on spindle turning. Local workshops and clubs. Woodworking clubs. Check if your local woodworking club offers workshops focused on spindle turning, which can provide hands-on experience. Community colleges. Many offer courses specifically in woodturning that include spindle techniques. Websites and blogs. Woodturning Online. Look for articles and projects that focus specifically on spindle turning for insights and detailed instructions. Lumberjacks. Search for spindle turning projects and discussions within this community to learn from others' experiences. For targeted learning in spindle turning, consider starting with books and online videos that specifically address this technique, along with engaging in community discussions for practical advice. Hands-on workshops are also invaluable for mastering the nuances of spindle turning. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of wood turning. I hope you found inspiration in today's projects and learned some valuable techniques to apply in your own creations. Remember, every piece of wood has its own unique story, and with each turn on the lathe, you have the chance to bring that story to life. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and happy turning.